everyone! Welcome back to Aesthetic Marby. Want to know the secret to growing hair that's fast, silky, and shiny? Stay tuned. Today, I'll share tips to grow your hair faster and make it silky and shiny. Ready for luscious locks? Let's get started. Healthy diet. 1. Salmon and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote hair growth and shine. 2. Eggs are a great source of protein and biotin, essential for hair growth. 3. Spinach and other leafy greens provide iron and vitamins A and C, which are crucial for healthy hair. 4. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and flax seeds, contain vitamin E and other nutrients that support hair health. Hair care routine. 1. Choose a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo that won't strip your hair of its natural oil. 2. Condition your hair every time you wash it, focusing on the ends to keep them hydrated and smooth. 3. Use hair mask once a week to nourish your hair deeply. Natural remedies. Coconut oil is great for moisturizing and adding shine. Massage into your scalp and hair. Leave for 30 minutes, then wash out. Aloe vera gel can also promote hair growth and add shine. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for about an hour and then rinse it off. Avoiding damage. Pat your hair dry with a microfiber towel instead of rubbing it, which can cause breakage. Limit the use of heat styling tools. If you must use them, apply a heat protectant spray first. Avoid tight hairstyles that can pull on your hair and cause damage. And there you have it. Follow these tips for faster, silkier, shinier hair. Consistency is key.